field. Imagine a drone that can identify and target enemy combatants just by using facial recognition. That's actually happening right now. The Israeli military is using that technology in Gaza, and this use of AI in an active conflict zone like this really raises some very complex ethical questions. You know, the idea of robots fighting our wars might sound like something out of a movie, but
Yeah.
but the reality is that autonomous weapons systems, these are weapons that can make life or death decisions without a human being involved, are already being developed and tested, and the lack of any clear international regulations governing their use is a big concern. Now, some experts argue that AI can actually make warfare more precise and that it can reduce civilian casualties and minimize collateral damage. They say that autonomous systems can avoid human errors, and the emotional biases that can lead to unintended harm. However, others are really concerned that giving machines the power to kill could lead to an escalation of violence and a dangerous loss of human control over military decisions. And then you add the potential for hacking, malfunction, and just unpredictable behavior. It really adds another layer of complexity to this debate and the development of these AI-powered weapons. It's blurring the lines between military and civilian technology. Companies like Anduril, they're a leading developer of AI weapon systems. And they're attracting a lot of investment, really pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their founder has actually said that we need a warrior class who are, enthusiastic about using violence for good. It really makes you think about the motivations behind these powerful tools and the increasing presence of AI in warfare. It brings up some pretty fundamental questions about accountability and responsibility. If an autonomous weapon system makes a mistake and causes civilian casualties, who's to blame? Is it the programmer, the military commander, or is it the machine itself? These are huge legal and ethical questions that we need to figure out. And as AI technology just keeps advancing at this incredible pace, you know these challenges are only going to become more complex and consequential. The future of warfare, it's really going to be shaped by our ability to develop and use AI responsibly, ethically, and carefully, considering all the potential risks and those unintended consequences. It's really a double-edged sword, this integration of AI into warfare. It could offer some real benefits, in terms of precision and efficiency, but it also carries these significant risks, unintended consequences and the possibility of things escalating. Ultimately, the future of warfare in this age of AI and robots, it really comes down to the choices we make today. We have to be thoughtful. We have to consider every perspective and work together towards those international regulations that ensure these technologies are being used responsibly and ethically for the good of humanity.